You've probably heard that marriage takes work, but what if it could feel less like work and more like joy? Let's talk about the Save the Marriage system. Look, every relationship has its ups and downs, but if you feel like you and your partner are more roommates than soulmates, don't worry, you're not alone. The Save the Marriage system isn't about blame or picking sides. It's about real, practical steps to reconnect, rebuild trust, and rediscover why you fell in love in the first place. It's packed with easy strategies, communication tips, and ways to break old patterns without awkward therapy sessions or endless arguments. Imagine waking up excited to talk, laugh, and just be together again. Whether you're facing big challenges or just want to strengthen your bond, this system is designed for real people, just like you. So why settle for just okay? Unlock the secrets to a happier marriage, starting today. Your best days together could be right around the corner.